How to integrate Google Analytics with Engati. Integration with Google Analytics allows you to track usage, see drop-offs in bot journeys, view most asked questions, most clicked buttons, and much more that can help in optimizing the bot journey. Give a name to the new property and click on the button Show Advanced Options. Create a universal property by toggling it on. Give a name for the website. It can be any website. And select the option to create a universal analytics property. Click on Create. Log in to your Engati account. Select the bot you want to integrate it with and click on Integrations. Select Google Analytics from the list and click on Add Account. Add a name to continue. Copy the tracking ID and paste it onto the Engati portal and save. Navigate to Configure on the bot and select the Integrations tab. Click on Google Analytics. Select the integrated Google Analytics account. Now, to set up custom events in your bot, go to the Builder. Suppose you have a bot where there are multiple flows like subscribing to newsletters, registering for events, or connecting with a live chat agent, etc. You can set up custom events. You would be able to see the number of users going through that flow of the bot. To set up the custom event, select a node where you'd want to track and set the event. Select the node you want to track and switch the track event toggle to on. Click on Add New Event and add a name. Set tracking for that event and create custom events in multiple flows as required. As an example, if you'd want to record the event of people coming to collect lead information flow, you can set the first node as an event, but if you'd want to track the number of people completing the collect lead flow, that is providing all the requested information, then you can use the last node in the flow where the info is displayed, or you can set up both to see the comparison and check if there's friction if the users are not getting their auto tracking information. Click on Customizations on the left side of the navigation and select Dashboards. Click on the Create button. Select the option to import from gallery. Search for Engati Chatbot Analytics and click on Import. Select the required property and give a name to the dashboard. Once this is done, data will start flowing to the created dashboard. The dashboard for your bot would be similar to this.